Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix YouTube not working on a smart TV. Alright, let's begin. In this tutorial, I'm using my Fire TV stick, but you can follow along on almost any smart TV, since the steps are very similar across most devices. Start by going to Settings and opening Applications. Verify if asked. Select Manage Installed Applications, then find YouTube from the list. Choose Force Stop and clear the app cache. After that, launch YouTube again and check if the issue is resolved. If YouTube still isn't working, restart your TV by going to Settings, selecting My Fire TV and choosing Restart. If you don't have an option like this, simply turn off your TV, wait for 10 seconds, and turn it back on. Once the device turns back on, open YouTube and test it again. So, that's basically how you can fix YouTube not working on a smart TV. Thanks.